said, hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Now, I figured, I've been thinking, what do I love to do the most? Cook. So, this is going to be a new thing, cast iron cooking, because that's all I cook in is cast iron. Tonight I'm making homemade sloppy joes. Okay, you need a pound of ground beef. I use grass-fed ground beef. 1 bell pepper, any color, sweet bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and now when it comes to sloppy joes, you got a choice. You can buy it already made, or you can make it homemade, which is way better. Now, to make it homemade, you'll need ketchup and mustard, and the other ingredients I just said. Now, it will take 1 cup. I don't measure. I've been doing this for so many years. 1 cup of ketchup to 1 tablespoon of mustard. You squirt it on in there. That's what I do. You can measure though. And you mix it up. I've already got my ground beef all ground up. So I don't edit my videos, so I figured I'd shorten it by already grounding the beef up. And there, my friends, you have homemade sloppy joes. I'm going to actually show you what they look like, because I'm going to make me one. And you'll need some hamburger buns, of course. It's just super easy to make things homemade. You know, the way your great-grandparents did, grandparents. Well, I'm a grandparent, so your great-great-grandparents. Now, if you're talking the millennial age, it'd be your grandparents and great-grandparents if you got them around. I will show you what it looks like here. Now here is what it actually looks like. Yum yum. Get some light on that. I gotta steer this around. Now the thing with propane stove is it holds its heat, and cast iron holds its heat. And it's faster to cook on propane stove. So what I always end up doing, don't mind my dogs. Yeah? Shut up. What? Shut up. Okay. Alright. Alright. You're welcome. Sorry about that. That was a neighbor wanting me to watch his art form. Now, where was I? On the propane and cast iron stove, you can pull it off to the side, and it'll still keep your food nice and hot. And here is the homemade sloppy joe. Want to bite it? Sorry, I didn't give you the first bite. That's good. There's nothing like homemade sloppy joes. And from now on, I'm going to be doing cast iron cooking videos because that's all I cook in. So I hope you enjoyed that video and give it a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm thirsty. That's sorry. I'm thirsty. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up because that helps everybody's channels by leaving at least a thumbs up. Okay? So, leave a thumbs up and enjoy. And remember, it's that easy to make homemade sloppy joes. Bye, guys.